Now children, today let's start with chapter number 10, that is electric current and circuits. So in this chapter we will study about the electric current. So electricity क्या, it's essential part of life. It is an invisible form of energy जो किसको influence करता है, lives in many people, right? So we cannot imagine our life without. It is used to light up bulbs, to run computer, to run television and radio sets, to run trains, to run legs. Electricity flow as energy because it causes our electrical gadgets work. Right? Electric makes machine runs and it means it is a form of energy. It makes all the machine work flow by the means of wires in the form of current. So what we call them? We call them electric current, electricity. So now flow of electric current. There are three conditions. हम तीन कंडीशन फुलफिल करते हैं. एक तो अ सोर्स, then we have a broken path and metal wire. The unbroken path through which a electric current can flow, it को हम किसको क्या कहते हैं, electric circuit. So electric current flow between two charged objects. In simple word, electricity is a flow of electrons along a conductor. एक दो चार्ज बॉडी होती है, either an excess of defects of electrons. So electrons जो होते हैं वो किससे मूव करते हैं, through a conductor from one place to another when there is a potential difference. जब क्या है, potential difference है between two places. And when negatively charged conductor is connected to earth, जो क्या होता है, flow of electrons होता है. और जो conductor है अर्थ का, because potential difference between conductor and earth is zero. So you might have seen two holes in an electric bulb. One hole is plugged in connected with negatively charged conductor. That can be used as a source of flow of electric current. So the other, one of the two holes are connected with the conductor with further joined earth. When electric appliances is connected with the electric plug, जो आपका electric appliances electric plug के साथ connected होता है, electric current starts to flow through the appliance. और जो one end है आपका electric circuit का, it is connected with the whole plug which contain negatively charged electrons. Right? Next is electric circuit. The unbroken path through which an electric current can flow is called electric circuit. जो unbroken path है जिससे electricity pass करती है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, electric circuit. It consists of conductor and other electric equipment. Now it is clear that electric circuit जो है वो एक continuous path of conductor है और other electrical equipments है. And there are two types of circuit जिनका नाम है closed circuit and open circuit. Right? Closed circuit क्या होता है, through which an electricity can flow. Right? जैसे बल्ब ग्लो करा. Open circuit जिससे electricity pass नहीं करती. Right? So we can see here these are the symbols given to you. You can see the different symbols. ये आपका सेल का है, this is of battery, taping key, plug key closed, resistor, this is ammeter, V means voltmeter, this is wire joint, this is galvanometer, this is bulb, and this is what? Milliammeter. What are the important devices and their function? So let's study about the different. First is battery. So it is a source of electric current and which is attached in a circuit properly. It means the end of battery है वो क्या होना चाहिए, same direction में होनी चाहिए. The resistor that gives resistance to electric flow, filament of the bulb is called form of resistor. Next we have terminal which is used to connect devices with the help of conductor. यहाँ पे एक metal nut होता है, screw होता है through which the wires are connected. Then we have switch. It is used to connect and disconnect the loop of electric current. इससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, connect करते हो और disconnect. Then we have ammeter. It is a device used to measure the amount of electricity passing through the electric circuit. Then we have multimeter. What it do? It measures potential difference, right? Galvanometer, which is used to detect flow of electric current. Then we have filament. What it is? It is a form of resistant which is made up of metal with high melting point. जैसे आपका tungsten हो गया. So it is used in electric bulb. When the electric current passes through it, it becomes very hot. और वो क्या करता है? वो glow कर जाता है. It starts glowing. Now what are the effects of electric current? When an electric current passes through a conductor, it gives some energy to the conductor, right? Right? वो क्या देता है? कुछ energy देता, right? Now heating effect of electric current. What are the heating effects? When an electric current passes through a conductor, it loses a part of whole energy. Energy is converted into heat. Actually, each and every conductor, what it gives resistance to current when it passes through that. And the magnitude of resistance depends upon the material. जो भी हम material use कर रहे हैं to make up the conductor. Like a wire made up of copper gives less amount of resistance as compared to wire जो किसका बना है, iron का बना है. Because जो copper it's a better conductor than iron, and you should always what? Remember that more conductor of a resistor, right? Which application है? Electric current is, however, used to make various devices and electrical appliances. Now working of the electric bulb. So an electric bulb consists of coiled filament जो किसका बना होता है, टंगस्टन का. यहाँ पे इनर गैस फिल होती है जो क्या अवॉइड करती है, कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन. When we use filament made up of tungsten because it offers waste resistant to the electric current, और इसका जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है वो कैसा होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होता है. Why do we use a coiled filament? देखो हम बल्ब में आपने देखा होगा एक coiled filament होती है. So why do we use it? Because it shortens the length of filament when we make a coil out of. Now working of a fuse. Now in every house or office electricity is an important requirement distribution through copper wire. जो आपका किसमें कोट होता है, within the insulator, right, and rubber or plastic. But sometimes while a wire breaks in a circuit or connection is faulty, a leak of electric current is likely to occur. Since an electric current produces heat and such a leak may be very dangerous. Or what it causes? It causes. Now to avoid such kinds of accidents, so we insert a fuse in a circuit. Due to sudden increase of voltage supply, electric appliances get damaged, and the fuse inserted in a circuit also save electric appliances during such situation. Now the fuse is a piece of wire made up of metal wire having very low melting point. It is generally encased in a fulcrum over, and whenever a short circuit occurs in a circuit, the wire including wire of the fuse get heated. Since जो melting point है वायर का वो कैसा होता है, लो होता है. So what happens? It suddenly melts. वो suddenly क्या होता है, मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट कर देता है और जो आपकी जो इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई वो क्या हो जाती है, कट हो जाती है. Now fuses are generally rated according to the amount of electric current supplied through circuit. A fuse rated 5A means it allows circuit of 5 ampere. Right? There are two types of fuse in the market. Basically KitKat fuse and cartridge fuse. जो KitKat fuse होता है वो आप उसको easily replace कर सकते हो. But if we talk about, और ये आपकी इलेक्ट्रिक सॉक भी शेप करता है. If we talk about cartridge fuse, फिर जो फ्यूज होता है it is put inside the glass tube और उसके तो दोनों एंड्स हैं उसको हम ज्वाइन करते हैं with a two metallic cap, right? And two metallic caps completes the circuit और जो आपका इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो होता है उसके थ्रू, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. सो लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट सम मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट. So a great scientist, Hans Christian Ørsted, noticed that a needle gets deflected when electric current is passed through them. When a piece of iron is wounded by wire, electric current is passed through the wire. और वो किसकी तरह बिहेव करता है, like a magnet, but the current is switched off. It loses its magnetism. This setup is called an electromagnet. इस setup को क्या बोला जाता है? This setup is known as electromagnet. Now, what are the uses of electromagnets? We use in various equipments, appliances and machines. Like we use in generator, motor, mixie grinder, washing machine. In these electric appliances, electromagnet is used to rotate the motor fitted inside the machine. Electromagnet किससे attached होता है? Cranes से, that are used to lift huge loads, जिससे आप huge loads lift कर. They are used in telegrams, telephones, loudspeaker, electric bike. They are also used to separate magnetic substance, जैसे आपका आयरन हो गया, निकेल हो गया, कोबाल्ट हो गया, नॉन मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस लाइक योर कॉपर, जिंक एंड ब्रास. नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक बेल, ये कॉमन डिवाइस है जो किसको सपोर्ट करता है? प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट इट्स कंस्ट्रक्शन. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ horseshoe shaped electromagnet is connected with the armature with it one end, right? The armature is connected with the contact screw and one end of this contact screw is a switch. So the other end of the armature is connected with the hammer. A gong is fixed just near the hammer. और जो gong होता है वो कहाँ fixed होता है? Near the hammer. Now working when we push a button. भाई हमने क्या करा? इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब का जो बटन है उसको पुश करा and the electric current begins to flow through electromagnet. It attracts the iron and towards itself. और आपने देखा होगा जो hammer है वो आपके gong को strike करता है. And on it what happens? The contact between armature and screw breaks. और जो सर्किट है वो किसको कन्वर्ट करता है? ओपन सर्किट को. और जो करंट है वो स्टॉप हो जाता है फ्लो करना. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ वी मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.